Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the barcode type because the scanning method differs. Once done, open your scanning app or enable the scanner. Aim the lens so the bars fill the frame and hold steady, small movements blur the read. If using a dedicated scanner, set it to the correct symbology and press the trigger. Make sure lighting is even to avoid glare. If needed, shade reflective surfaces. This first step gives you a reliable read and avoids repeated retries. Once the scanner locks focus, let it capture the code. You will typically hear a beep or see a visual confirmation. If it's a linear barcode, sweep horizontally across the bars, versus tilting, so the decoder reads the full pattern. For QR or 2D codes, ensure the entire square is visible. Cropping prevents decoding. If the app offers manual exposure or contrast, increase it to improve sharpness. These actions convert the image into data. The system can, after decoding, verify the output matches expected data, product ID, URL, or numeric string, and proceed with the linked action like opening a page or adding inventory. If the code won't read, try rescanning from a different distance and angle or switch apps. Some scanners handle damaged codes better. Make sure the label isn't smudged and remove glare by changing lighting. If all else fails, manually type the code. It's slower, but guaranteed to complete the task.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.